and welcome back. This girl is 4 years. You can see what I'm doing. Just focus your eyes and do the way you see me doing. Just fold your clothes the same way and you get the same style. Thank you for joining me, this gele. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all my followers. Thank you for following me. Thank you for your support, and to those that always come back to watch my video, I really appreciate you. Thank you very much. And to all the people helping me to share my videos, you are a darling. Thank you very much for always helping me to share my video. Thanks for your support. God bless you. And if you have not started following me, if you are seeing me for the first time, or you have been seeing me and you don't want to follow me, what are you waiting for? Please give me a follow and help me to share my video. Support me by sharing my videos, and let me know in the comment section if you like this gele. And if you don't like this one, don't worry, I have other ones on my page. You just check on my page and you see gele that you like, you see tutorial that you like. And if you have been practicing, please let me see your picture, the picture of your gele, in the comment section. Don't forget to support me. The only way you can support me is by sharing my videos. That is the only way you are supporting me. Please support me by sharing my videos. Support me. And if you like this video or any video at all that you like, what you do, if you want to watch the video, maybe you don't have data at that particular time, you can share it to your page, so that, or your profile, so that anytime you want to watch the video, you can still go back to it and watch. So thank you very much. I love you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. Thank you. I'm grateful. It's because of you that I'm here. So if you are seeing anything that you don't like on my page, please let me know. Let me know, so that at least I will adjust. And if you like my page, still let me know, so that at least I'll be happy that someone is there that like my page. So I'll leave you to continue watching the video. You can see the first tie. This one is bow tie with a touch of brunch. How do you see it? It's not beautiful? Thank you. So you can convert this your bow tie to different style. You can make it like ruffle, like rose. It depends on how creative you are. So till we meet again in my next video, enjoy yourself, stay out of trouble. Bye bye.